Here's our beds over here. There's the little man. They turn into sitting areas in the daytime. Back wedges. There's our sleeping bags. And we have two sleeping arrangements. We have sleeping bags, and then there's sheets that's 1 layer or 3 layers depending on what side you put on top of you, all stuffed into these big rolls, which make wonderful armrests for lounging. But that is the back area. We have a vent fan to pull air through. Nice big passenger windows full of beautiful curtains that I spent a long time sewing. I found out I like sewing. That was a good thing because I didn't know I liked sewing. A lot of people already up and gone, so they're traveling. But anyway, power strip over there that has USB and regular plugs that goes down to the power bank, which is down here in the bench. So this is the eating area in the rain and the sleeping area, cozy and nice and warm. Okay, this is Hilda's hangout spot, and when we need her out of the way, we just send her up there on her bed. That way we can have the floor space. But this is the other half of the van. We have one ceiling fan here, a second ceiling fan there, cover on the windshield. This here is a pull-out pantry. Let me move Jay's slippers. There you go, sorry. Which we didn't pack up on this trip, but it'll be great for longer trips. To hold tons of groceries and whatever you want to hold on that. Has a mirrored front on it. And then, hold on, under here, if you move the Bluetooth speakers and the lamp, hold on, there we go. Under here is our morning grooming mirror. It's perfect height for us, and you just do your thing. On the other side you have the sink, so you can wash up your face, brush your teeth, whatever. Extra storage space up there. That's the cooler cabinet there. On this side we have 10 gallons of fresh water and a 5-gallon gray tank. Little bit, good girl. And then under here we have my spice rack, which this is a short trip, so spice rack. Okay, hold on. Under there. Sorry for all the wiggling around. Here I have a flip-up table. Holds up to 55 pounds, so I can cook on that surface with a camp stove or just make sandwiches or whatever. And this is our solar panel. You keep that plugged in, it helps keep the battery charged from going in and out so much. This opens up to a whole deep layered section in here where I keep silverware, cooking utensils, my junk drawer, things like that. It's amazing how stuff doesn't rattle that much. And that's right out to the outside. That's where the bug curtains, the bug screens hang across this whole doorway. We had these gates made to contain Hilda. Hold on, let me put this table down. Hilda Rouse, good girl. And then that table just collapses against the side of there. This gate then opens up. There's a gap on the side there, so it's plenty of room there for the gate to open both directions. The sliders, sorry girl, the sliders only open part way. So So you have this big open area here. But it's really nice. This is Hilda's spot. She likes to keep patrol on that. And then, of course, you saw last night the cooler cabinet with another flip-up compartment there. And under here is the cooler, but there's also room, hold on. There's also room for our 2 gas stoves. We have a double burner and a single burner propane stoves that slip under there, but since we're at a power campground, we don't need the propane stoves because we have this electric skillet and just some extra shelf space up there. There's the garbage can. Here's where we stow lots of tall, thin things like her bed platform, her bed mat, our potty seat that folds up, literally a folding chair with a hole cut and made a seat in it. Works out great. And our potty room is right out there. So that has toilet paper, a little table, and a fold down potty seat. There's our curtains. I sewed tabs so if it rains I can bring them up some. And our chairs and table, and that's about it. It's a beautiful morning. God, it's a gorgeous morning. Really gorgeous morning. Okay. Hilda, do you want me to get that door out of your face? There you go, good girl. All right. And then up here is just the cab. I put little man up there. Hilda prefers to be on the floor at night, so I put the little guy up there so he doesn't get stepped on. Well, what's for dinner? Our first night at camp. We're having, because we're tired from setting up, homemade chili leftovers. Nothing like electric skillet at camp, huh?